Hello guys, welcome in this video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a UEFI bootable USB drive for Windows 10. First of all, we need these things, Windows 10 image and Rufus application, so don't worry about it. I'll give you link in the description. After that, open Rufus application. Plug in your USB drive. Now USB has detected. Change partition scheme to GPT partition. File system should be default. Now click on CD icon and select Windows image. Then click on Start. Make sure your USB drive should be empty, because all the data going to be deleted. After completing, close this thing, go to this PC and eject the USB drive. Then again plug in. Now we can see it successfully created. So time to boot it. Restart your PC. Go to Boot Manager and select the USB drive. Now Windows 10 setup has been started. So guys, if you like this video, so please give us thumbs up. If you have any questions, so feel free to comment, and thanks for watching.